Mga kamilya, naaragya punta na ni sa may Jesper Beach. Huwag na iniabot.
Choose to get up every day and bless your day. Choose to get up every single day and bless your day. And to say, I have no idea what's going to be in my day, but it is blessed. Why? Because I am alive.
Birthday March 18.
Oh, wait, 9,
Birthday
okay.
March 18. Kani March 10. Kana March 3.
Base your gratitude for your life on what you have or how you feel. But just because you are. Just because you are. Just because you are. And then hold in your heart this prayer. This day of my life will never come again. I will never see the people I am looking at again. I will never see this sunrise again, and I will never see that sunset. I will never see the person having breakfast with me again. Just this way. That it should shape the life around you with such grace and such beauty. That it make you only want to see the present with great gratitude and love. Every bitter taste there is